Hi, welcome back. I'm Nisha. We already discussed all the operations in stack, right? Push function, pop operation, then peek, then is empty, is full, etc. So today we are connecting all these functions together in C++. Okay, so let us start C++ program. How to implement all this together. Ready? So let us start the C++ program. Here I didn't mention the header files. We already know which all header files we need to use it. Okay. So we are starting with function prototype. So void push and in bracket int empty square bracket comma int. So that means push is the function name. There is no return value and we are passing two arguments. The first one is an integer array and the second one is an integer value. Okay. Then the second function prototype is int. There is a return type that's an integer and pop is the function name and we are passing an integer array to that function. Then the third one is void display. Void, that means there is no return type. Display is the function name and we are passing an integer argument, that is it's an array. Okay. Now what is the next statement? Say global variables declaration. So int top is equal to -1, comma n is equal to 5. So here top, we already know it's a stack, so top is compulsory and we are setting with -1. That is the default value. Okay, then n is equal to 5 means that is the maximum size. Just for an example, I put 5 here. That is the array size. Okay, now void main. Then next is the variables declaration. So int choice one variable, val another variable, stack array, then the square bracket size is there, that is n. So n is 5 here, so the array size is 5. Then one character variable, character answer. So let us check why we are using all these variables. Okay. Now do. It's a menu driven style program. And so we are using do while loop. Okay. So first I start with do. Then the menu options. So which all options? Cout, one push operation, then /n is there for the next line, 2 will get pop, then in next line we'll get 3 as display. So 3 options are there, push, pop and display. Then again we are giving a prompt to the user, enter your choice. So C in choice. So this variable is using for what? To select the option. Okay. Now next is what? We can use switch operation, right? Yeah, switch. Switch in bracket that variable choice and a brace open. Case 1. Case 1 means if the choice, if the variable choice is equal to 1, that means push operation. So what all steps are needed for that case? Enter the data. Push means what? We are inserting a data. Is it? So we need a data there. So we are giving the prompt to the user for entering the data. So enter the data. See in val. So val, this variable is declared here. Okay. See in val. So we'll get a value in that val variable. And we are calling the function push. And in bracket, we are passing that array. Stack is the array name. Is it? Stack is the array name. So only the array name we want to specify at the calling time. So stack comma val. Val is what? The entered item. So this is the function for, these are the statements using for the case 1. Then if the case is 2, that means pop. Okay, if it is 2, pop function. So val is equal to pop of stack. So we are not asking the user which element you want to delete it. Here pop means stack, so only we can delete or the topmost data. Is it? So that data we'll get it in val and we are giving a message to the user, this is the deleted item val. So in pop we are passing only that stack array. Through that function we'll get a return value that is assigned in val. Then we can print the user, we can give the message to the user, say this is the deleted item val. So break is there. So case 2 also over. Then if it is 3, 3 means display. Okay, to display all the details. So we are just calling the function display by passing array. Then break. Then if it is default case, out invalid choice. If it is 1 or 2 or 3, the user didn't enter 1, 2 or 3, we'll give a message as invalid choice. So switch statements are over now. Then what is the next statement? C. Do you want to continue? Say yes or no. So C in answer. We are giving the message to the user. Do you want to repeat this function or not? So C in answer. The user will give yes or no, Y or N. So brace closes there. That is do's. Do. See, the loop is ending here. At the ending time, we are checking Y. Answer is equal to Y. If it is capital Y, or answer is equal to small letter y. Semicolon is there. If it is Y, again the execution will move to the menu options. Okay, so this is the main here. So if it is no, we'll end the program. So this is main here. Understood? Now we can check each functions how it will work. Okay, so first I pressed case 1, that means push function. Okay, case 1. So what is the question here? Enter the data. Okay, see in val, I entered a data there. Push, we are calling the function by passing stack and that val. Stack is what? It's a empty array now. Only the maximum size is 5 here. We are passing that array to that push function and the entered item we are passing to that function. Okay, now see the function here. Stack, this array will move to here. See, stack itself, same name only I gave. See at the function formal parameter on the header we are defining like this. See, int stack empty square bracket. That means stack is an array. Then comma int val, here also with the same variable name I put it for the second argument. Now the checking. If top is less than n minus 1, n we already know that is 5. Top also we already know that is minus 1. Is it? Yeah, it is less than. Top is minus 1, n is less than n minus 1. That means less than 4 only. Is it? So top plus plus. What will happen when you are incrementing? Yeah, it will increment by 1. That means top is equal to 0. So stack of top is equal to stack of top, stack of 0. Stack is an array. We increment it minus 1 to 0. So stack of 0 is equal to val. Which val? The entered item. Enter the data. That item we are passing to that push function. That value will set to that stack array. In which position? The 0th position. Understood? So the first time it is minus 1 only, it is true. So we incremented that value to 0. Then we are setting the value to that 0th position, that value. Okay, if it is wrong, that means if top is equal to n minus 1, stack is over. We will get the message as stack is overflow. Okay, now let us check how it will work. See the example here. This is the empty array now. Okay, and the stack value, means top value. Top is minus 1 first time. Is it? Top is minus 1. Top is minus 1. Stack is here 5. Size is the maximum size is 5. So the first entered item will assign to 0. So first we want to increment the top value to 0. Is it? Yeah, we entered the first item. Again, do you want to continue? Yes or no? Yeah, we want to continue. Yes. Again, I am checking the same function. Okay, pressing number 1. That means case 1 itself. So enter the data. So I enter the second data, and I am calling the same function, push function. So top is less than n minus 1 only. So top is increment to the next position. Now see the second number also inserted. And again I am doing the same process for the push operation. So top is incremented and the new value entered. Again top is incremented, the new value entered. Again top is incremented, the new value entered. We press again, that means top is equal to n minus 1 now. Is it? If we are entering the value again, we will get stack overflow message. Understood now? This is the working of push operation. So in case 1, we are calling the function by passing the stack array and the entered item. So here the function is checking what is the top value. First time it is -1, and if it is -1, we are incrementing the top value to 0 and we are assigning the first value to there, that is 0th position. See, 5. Again we are calling the same function because here one prompt is do you want to continue yes or no? Yes, I pressed yes there. So again case 1 option I took. So enter the second value. So I entered 4 there. So top incremented to 1, then we inserted the value to there. Then again top incremented, again top incremented, again top incremented. We press again that case 1, so we will get stack overflow because top is equal to n minus 1 bar. That means stack is overflow. Clear? So this is push operation. Okay, now we can check the pop-up function. Okay, pop operation. So pop operation is here. So here we are checking that pop function. Okay, in pop, see return type is the int pop. So in case 2, val is equal to pop of stack. So we are passing that array to that function. So see the example here. Already we passed that array here. Set the array here. See these are the values. These are the values we inserted through push function. Is it? That values are there. So now we can check how it will work. That pop function. Okay. See the function. So this is pop function. Only one argument is there. Its name, that argument name is stack. That is an array. So we are passing these values to this array. Okay. Then int val is equal to 0. This is a local variable of this pop function. First time we are setting that it as 0. Then if top is greater than -1. Top is greater than -1. Yeah, it is greater than -1, right? Top is on 4th now. See, 4. Top is 4. So it is greater than -1. So val is equal to stack of top. Val is equal to stack of top. So 12. That value we'll get it in val variable now. Then top minus minus. So we are moving the top variable to the index number 3. Okay. Now what? Press close is there. Return val. Return val means, see this val, that 12, we'll get it in val variable. Then we can print the message deleted item is 12. Okay, deleted item is 12. So we'll get that message there. So if you choose the same option again, do you want to continue? See, break is there, so we are moving to downward just below the switch case. Do you want to continue? Yes. The answer is yes. We are getting that again 3 options. So I took 2 again. Pop. So top is on 3rd position now. Is it? Yeah. So we are popping again. So that 1, see item 1, we'll store it in val and top is decremented. So top is moving to index number 2 now. Again return val. That means 1 will get on the monitor. See the deleted item is 1. Again I am choosing the same option 2. So top is decremented to 1 now. See 6, that value will assign to val. Top is decremented. Then return val means that value. That means that 6 we'll get it on the monitor. This is the deleted item. 6 is the deleted item. Again I choose the same option. Case 2. So top is decremented. At the same time that 4 will assign to val variable. Then return val means that value, that 4. 4 will assign to val and we'll get a message. The deleted item is 4. Okay. Then again I choose the same option. Do you want to continue, yes or no? Yes, I want to continue. So again I took the case 2 option. So again I delete it. So top is moving to -1. So the deleted item is 5 now. So return val, we'll get the deleted item as 5. So now top is -1. So if I choose, see how, do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. If I choose the same option 2, see, if top is greater than -1, it is not greater than -1, it is equal to -1. So that time it will move to which place? See, stack underflow. Okay, stack underflow. We'll get that message because top is equal to -1 now, val is 0 itself. We are not getting any value from the array now, val is 0. So we'll return val means that 0 is returning. Okay, so top is -1 now. Top is -1. We are getting top is -1. See the message, stack underflow. So this is the message we will get it. Understood? So this is the way of doing the pop operation. Okay, so the case 2 option, we are calling that function by passing the array and we'll get the return value which is on the top item now. That is the item deleted. Clear? If the top is equal to -1, if we delete all the items means top is moving to -1 with the default value itself. That means array is empty. Okay, array is empty. So we'll get stack underflow message. Clear? This is pop operation. So now we can check the third option, that is display. So in enter your choice, we are entering 3. So just for the example, I put all the elements there itself, stack array with all elements are there, 12, 1, 6, 4, 5. So these are the elements we already stored by using push operation. Okay. Now see case 3, display stack. Here we are calling the function display and we are passing stack array to that function. So see the function here, display stack. So we are passing that array to which the stack name. Now see the statements inside that display function. For loop begins. Int I is equal to top. I is equal to top. From top onwards we want to display it. Is it? But we can't change the value of top to 0th version. Because top is here on the 4th position. The elements are there. Just we want to display it. We are not deleting any element. So we want to set the top on the 4th itself. Okay. We are just displaying the elements. So we are not changing the top value. So we are using another variable I for that. Okay. I is equal to top. I is equal to top means the value of I is 4 now. Okay, value of I is 4. Then is it greater than equal to 0? I greater than equal to 0. Yeah, I is greater than equal to 0. If it is greater than equal to 0, see out stack of I. Stack of I means stack of 4. Because top value is 4. So we assign to that value to I now. And we are checking I is greater than equal to 0 or not. Yeah, it is. So then print the stack of I value. Stack of I means stack of this index number 4. That is 12. Okay. See, I is here now. So we'll get which value on the monitor. Output is which one? 12. Okay. Now I minus minus. We are decrementing the value because stack display means reverse style printing. String reverse. Is it? Undo operation. So reverse style only we can print it because top is on the topmost position now. So we are displaying from top only one and display. So when you are displaying the elements from the top portion to 0th portion, we want to display it. So 4, we will get the 4th element, 5th element. That means index number 4. That is 12. Okay. I minus minus. We are decrementing the value of I to 3 now. So is it greater than equal to 0? Yeah, I is greater than equal to 0 because I is which one? 3. Is it? I is 3. It is greater than equal to 0. So which value we will get? Stack of I. Stack of I means 1. See the output? We will get 1 there. Again I minus minus. So I is 2 now. It is greater than equal to 0. So we will get 6 on the monitor. Again is decrementing I minus minus. So I is moving to 1. So the value of stack of I is 4. We'll get 4 on the monitor. Again we are decrementing the value of I. So I is 0 now. Is it? I is 0. Now the value of stack is what? Stack of 0 is 5. Okay, now we got all the elements. If we again decrementing the value means stack is not greater than equal to 0, then the program will end. I mean that case 3 option will end. So this is the way of displaying. So display means reverse style printing. The elements what we assign in the array will print it in reverse style. Okay, last in first out. That is the concept of stack. Clear? So this is display. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So see you all in the next video with a new topic, that is under linear structure itself, queue concept in static methods. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.